I have to give up. I can't get up the road now, and I can't go down the road. There's nowhere for me to go. Start grabbing stuff and throwing it on the bank, and I throw and I throw and I throw, and anything I can find, I'm just throwing it up on the bank.
To try to hold on to
try to save what I could save. But the water's coming too fast. I can't get it up. There's nothing I wanted out of the house but my guitar, my mandolin, and my Bible. It was three things that was important to me, and I am so frustrated. And I'm begging God. I'm saying, God, please help me. Please don't take my home.